I've been up since 4 this morning. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh.
It's beautiful, huh?
Oh my.
So, I know that you're excited. So you had a long 5-day drive to come here. But from now on, the drives are going to be a lot easier. After you need to
I can't believe this. Oh. You're going to edit all this out, right?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh! Look at this! It's more than I ever expected!
And you have so many nice bells and whistles, like it's great.
Look at the fabric! Oh my goodness, and the roll-ups, everything! Oh,
it's a beautiful, this is my favorite model.
Oh man, that is way cool!
It's nice, huh?
Yes! Oh, look at the... I don't know what to say. There's my microwave. You even got a fan installed for me, Bash Bear.
It's a fan that moves, it's on there, it's great, it's perfect. Like you have the iPad holder, I don't know if you like to watch movies and
Yes. And I love the push buttons. They're not.
yeah, they're
it's
fully
so
secured.
clean.
Yeah, it's clean and they're so like it's
Oh, you
fully
put-
secured. Yeah,
Instead of puck lights, you put in the strips.
looks better.
Oh,
And
it does.
it does look better and it's much better with the LED control. I can if you want to, like, and you can change.
Oh my
everything.
gosh.
I mean,
Mood lighting. And the backsplash is gorgeous. Everything, you guys, is just beautiful. Look at the water. This is wonderful. And this is a lagoon.
yeah, that's the lagoon that can drop in the middle here and it stays like in between the two little lips. It is turned into a full bench, or you can swivel this one and turn it to a bed if you have somebody that wants to sleep in with you. It's all on magnets. So
It's all
when you drive, it doesn't fly around. It's all on magnets.
But look at the gorgeous.
Oh yeah, they're porcelain
I'm
today.
so pleased with the colors. Oh, and the pillows, yeah.
Oh, Kathleen loves pillows. You always have a lot of pillows.
Well, this is great because I like a lot of pillows.
Okay.
And the magnetic, all the magnetic window.
Window cover, they make a huge difference, mainly during the winter.
There was a sink, remember?
Right, you said.
If the sink is there, you can.
You
But
said,
if I move the
let's
sink,
move the sink.
so we can do that. Because, I mean, I know you don't cook a lot, but it's nice to have more of this sense of
Oh yeah, I like counter space.
Yeah.
I can do a lot of counter space. This is way cool. I can live in this van.
Oh, you're definitely gonna live in this van.
This is way cool. Food and stuff will go in there as well.
Yeah, and like this is so much extra
Oh,
space.
yeah.
That's a lot of extra space
Look
as
at,
well.
here's all my,
Yeah, because you have for all the wind, you have them for...
I've been watching all your videos, so I'm like, oh yeah. Are these the magnets for the shower?
Yeah, well, I'll show you.
Oh, wow.
So setting up the shower
Yeah.
takes 10 seconds instead of 3 minutes.
I'm glad I went custom, man. I'm telling you. You know, you get to a point where you go, I'm going to do this, so I might as well.
Might
This
as
is
well
what I'm
do it
gonna
for... Yeah.
And I'm really glad that I did that. Oh man. Oh, I want to see my fridge. I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I'm here. I cannot believe all of this. Look at this. Every detail. And you know, having my dog makes a huge difference. You know, I know nothing about solar.
EcoFlow made the power kit very user-friendly.
Oh wow!
So it's a dash cam, so it records the front and the back in case you have an accident. But
I just don't know what to say, except
I'm happy if you're happy, and you seem happy, so it's great.
I'm really happy.
Great.
And I never thought I'd have something this nice.
Great. Oh, it's.
But it's so custom to me.
Yes.
This is me. I mean, the color, just all of it. I have a kayak, and I just want to go and I want to park by the river, and I don't want to be bothered. And I can have girlfriends come up and we can hang out, and then they can drive back because it's only an hour from the lakes.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I've got lots of plans for this.